Using Finder, macOS Catalina and later. Connect your iPhone to your MacBook or iMac using a USB cable. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust on the prompt that appears on your iPhone screen. On your MacBook or iMac, open a Finder window. You can do this by clicking on the Finder icon in the dock or by pressing Command+Space and typing Finder. In the Finder window, you should see your iPhone listed in the sidebar under the Locations section. Click on your iPhone's name. If this is the first time you're connecting your iPhone to this Mac, you might need to choose Trust this computer on your iPhone again. In the iPhone window, you will see an overview of your device. Look for the Backup Now button and click it. The backup process will start, and you can monitor its progress in the Finder window. Once the backup is complete, you'll see the backup timestamp. Using iTunes, macOS Mojave and earlier. 1. Connect your iPhone to your MacBook or iMac using a USB cable. 2. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust on the prompt that appears on your iPhone screen. 3. On your MacBook or iMac, open iTunes if it doesn't open automatically when you connect your iPhone. 4. In iTunes, you'll see an iPhone icon near the top left corner. 4. Click on this icon to access your iPhone summary page. 5. In the Backups section, you'll have the option to manually back up your iPhone. 5. Choose either Backup Now or This Computer, depending on your preference. 6. The backup process will begin, and you can monitor its progress in the iTunes window. 6. Once the backup is complete, you'll see the backup timestamp. Note: with the release of macOS Catalina and later, Apple replaced iTunes with Finder for managing iOS devices. If you're using macOS Mojave or earlier, you'll still use iTunes for backing up your iPhone. It's important to regularly back up your iPhone to ensure you have a recent copy of your data. You can also set up automatic backups to iCloud for an additional layer of protection.